Boy, Bill. The ham just back. Let's do some BLS. We just chilling out. Just see what's going on. Check it out. This is Friday, baby. We enjoying ourselves. And like I told you, I'll be coming every day with a little bit of information, some new things going on. Today is Friday, so we're gonna talk about all good things. Everybody ready for Friday? What you got planned? I know right now, and I've listened to some BLS and they funking it up. Check it out. Yes. Oh yeah. This is what you do on Friday. Oh yeah. You guys like that? Give it a shout out to everybody. New York, LA, Georgia, Florida. Oh yeah. BLS is going crazy. Give a shout out to some of my friends out there. Kenny Johnson, Joshua Thompson, my brother-in-law JT Tiller, my sister Star, the Young family of Young and Company. Oh yeah, we bring it Friday in right. All right. On Friday, we just talk about good things, positive things. I want everybody to go out there and enjoy yourself. You worked all week. You got your paycheck. Go home to mama. You guys lay back. Enjoy yourself. It's Friday. Just a little bit more of this I'm going to give y'all. BLS has went stark raving crazy. Nice. This is Billy Young, a.k.a. William Young, Young and Company. YouTube. Come on, check me out, y'all. Oh, they went crazy. Down south, you get some of this New York up north stuff right here. If this don't make you want to dance, that's all I gotta say. If this don't make you want to dance, I'd like to give another shout out to a good friend of mine, David Conley from the group Surface. Eddie Saunders. Have a good trip in Paris. Oh, they are going crazy. I love this. It's Friday, baby. This is how they whip you into shape up here in New York City. Yeah, we'll be coming right back Monday with some more stuff. We're going to have some more things to talk about. I'm just really launching my YouTube channel. Getting it going, baby. Also shouting out to Mac Man. My gym partner, Mac Man. You're doing your thing, baby. You're looking good. Also, some of my DJs around the world. Clyde, Nigel Waymo.